So if you have missing teeth, one or more, it's possible to replace them with dental implants and crown and bridge. But it's also possible to replace them with partial denture. The partial denture could be simple, could be made from one material, acrylic or nylon. I will show you one prosthesis like that, which has a hook on the same pink material, and the artificial teeth will be chosen from your natural color and shape. It's also possible that this prosthesis has metal frame to be more strong and to be more comfortable. The frame could be made from titanium, pure titanium, which is flexible and biocompatible. The hook on the teeth are very comfortable because they could move a little bit, and after they remain in their initial position. We could add teeth at that frame, and the partial is going to be strong. The teeth is going to have a good looking. And it's a solution for your missing teeth. It's not only aesthetic, it's also functional for your health. To replace the missing teeth for your good smile. Good to see you.